let's check out 10 signs that your mental health is deteriorating. Number 1. Anxiety. One of the obvious signs that a person's mental health is not the best it can be is anxiety. Of course, we're not talking about worrying about things once in a while. Every human being has issues which could lead to worry. This is about living in a perpetual state of anxiety and fear of uncertainty. When you notice that your worrying is constant and is beginning to take a toll on you and affect your lifestyle, you want to look into things. Anxiety can even lead to physical health issues like heart palpitations, restlessness, stress, diarrhea, headache, and shortness of breath. So it is a bigger problem than you might think. Number 2. Loss of concentration and or memory. Number 3. Changes in weight and or appetite. Number 4. Feelings of guilt and worthlessness. Number 5. Excessive anger and hostility. Number 6. Excessive quietness and withdrawal. Number 7. Hallucinations, delusions, and paranoia. Number 8. Substance abuse. Number 9. Significant tiredness and sleep problems. Number 10. Extreme mood changes.